When we go out for all those street food walks in Delhi, especially near Jama Masjid, what are those favorite dishes? For me, it's always things like korma, handi. So I thought, why not pick on to one of those favorite Delhi ki recipes and make them slightly more healthier and guilt-free. So today we are going to make a Badam Chicken Handi. And yes, it's going to be totally guilt-free. Let's start the recipe. तो सबसे पहले आप इस रेसिपी के लिए प्याज को भूनेंगे. We have to make sure onions are brown. So we are going to take 1 tablespoon of ghee. अब गर्मा गर्म पैन में onions डाल देंगे. Wow. So it will take almost 15 minutes to brown these onions. Now, how are we going to make this recipe guilt-free? Was the question, right? Well, we are going to make a paste out of almonds, and that is going to give this recipe that necessary binding and fat and goodness. What almonds do is they satiate you to a level that you don't feel hungry again. So because we are going to add a boiled almond paste, so yes, we have boiled these almonds for 20 minutes, skinned them, and that's how they look right now, right? So we are going to make a nice almond paste with these brown onions and add to this recipe. Of course, they are going to satiate you because they are almonds, but they also have so many different nutrients, rich in protein, rich in vitamin B, and of course, lots of magnesium and zinc as well. लो जी, 15 मिनट हो चुके हैं. Now look at these onions. They're almost dark brown in color. They have caramelized beautifully. I am going to switch off this gas. And now it's time to take these boiled and skinned almonds and make a paste of this with our brown onions. I'm going to add fried onion and badam to this mixie. Let's make a fine paste. थोड़ा सा इसको पीसने के बाद आप इसमें डालेंगे 3 से 4 चम्मच पानी. So that's it. हमारी पेस्ट हो गई है तैयार. Let's check it out. Look at that. It's fairly fine. रंग बहुत अच्छा है. And this looks like a perfect almond and brown onion paste. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee to this. Now in this we are going to add star anise, यानी कि चक्री फूल. We are going to add cloves, dalchini, cinnamon. Last but not the least, tej patta, bay leaf. So we have some chicken curry cut, chicken on the bone, जिसको हम इसमें डाल देंगे. With the chicken, we are going to add ginger garlic paste. If you like food spicy like I do, slit green chilies. I'm going to add 2, you can add 1. Don't skip them. Wow. Make sure the chicken seals very nicely, so cook it on high heat for the first 2 minutes. Ginger garlic has cooked, chilies are popping, chicken is sealed. Let's go ahead. We're going to add some coriander powder. And with coriander powder, we are also going to add fresh dhania. Very important for this chicken handi recipe. This is Goila's special. As soon as the dhania sticks to the chicken and it starts to cook, we are going to add our lovely almond and onion paste. There goes our paste. अब इसको मिक्स कर लेते हैं. We are going to now add some pani to this and dahi. Now you will see how the paste will make this water really thick, like a nice curry, because it's got the goodness of almonds and onions. This is the right stage for us to add dahi. What do we say? Dahi hai sahi. Let's mix it. The good part about adding almonds in this recipe is they will hold the dahi also together. Done. So after 10 minutes, we will clean our kitchen and then check the handi out. So well, 10 minutes are gone. The chicken is smelling delicious. So let's check it out. Oh my God. We're going to add a nice hing ka chauka. Not too much ghee is required for this, only half a tablespoon. जैसे ही ghee melt होगा, we are going to add a bit of hing. There you go. So our ghee is hot, hing is popping. Let's do our ghee ka chauka. Let's bring it back. We are going to add a very special powder that makes this handi truly special. Dagad phool, stone flower powder. We mix it in and it's time to serve. Nice, rich, thick. Now we will finish it with some coriander and our boiled almond slivers. लीजिए, तैयार है हमारी बादामी चिकन हांडी.